This 2019 Forest River Sandpiper 379 FLOK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wharton, Texas, 77488 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.